Hey everybody, WB from RI with another video. I had to take a deep breath there. This year we got so much snow up in New England, it's ridiculous. Yesterday was horrible. All the snow and ice everywhere. The trees all covered. It looks like a winter wonderland. But I have another video. Join me for breakfast. And if you're new to this channel, welcome in. Please subscribe. Please press the thumb button, the up button, for more videos, and the notification bell as well. And I have today for breakfast, I'm going to try to pan down here and show you guys what I have. There we go. Let me get the fork out the way. I have 2 sausage patties. I have some bacon. I have grits. That's why they're so light. It's grits. And over here, oh lordy, get this right with. There's some eggs with cheese. There you go. Eggs and cheese right there. And I'm starving. I've been a little bit under the weather the past couple of days, and I'm still not feeling that great. But I'm here, and I'm trying to see if I can do this so I can fit everything in so you guys can see. I have a cup of hot tea. It's a raspberry flavor hot tea. And also I have 2 pieces of toast, jelly, and margarine. So let's manja, let's eat. Time to scoff. So how is everybody today? I hope everybody's doing well, getting better. I'm getting ready for spring. I know I am. I've been ready for spring. My favorite times of year, fall and spring. I hate summer and I hate winter. Well, a reason being because it affects my joints more. And, I have the severe rheumatoid arthritis, and I wouldn't wish that pain on my worst enemy. That's how bad it is. But, you gotta keep pushing on, right? Have a bite of this egg with cheese. If you see a lot of steam, I like my food super hot. It just tastes better to me. I don't like my food lukewarm. Ugh. But I love me some grits. I tell you, nothing beats a southern breakfast. When my great aunt was alive, Auntie Sis, may she rest in peace, she lived in North Carolina, Winston-Salem, North Carolina. She had her own chickens, her own roosters. She had a pig, cow, you name it. And they used to cook. When I mean they, her roommate, Miss Alma, may she rest in peace as well. They used to cook some fabulous breakfast. I used to go down there when I was younger with my mother. And, oh man, there's nothing beats like southern food, southern hospitality, and southern food. I tell you. Shout out to EJ Food. EJ, get well soon. I love your videos. Please take care of yourself. And shout out to his girlfriend, Vanessa Loves Makeup. Two channels you should check out. Mm. Yeah. I love sausage. You know what else I love for breakfast? Linguiça. I don't know if, I know they have it in New England, but I'm not sure if they have it in the southern states. It's like an orangey sausage type of meat. It's from the pig, and that's good. Linguiça. Linguiça and eggs. Awesome. This breakfast is magnifico. Delicioso. Well, they're still determined to put that wall up between the U.S. and Mexico. It's really, I mean, leave things as it is. Why you gotta change everything, you know? In the comments below, let me know how you feel about that wall. Mm. I love bacon. I love bacon. Mm, mm, mm. See, I could never be a vegan, vegetarian, whatever. You know, that type of lifestyle, I just couldn't adapt. I couldn't adapt to. I'm a carnivore, true to heart. You know, I love meat. I don't eat it as much as I used to, but once in a while I gotta have that meat taste. I do like some vegetarian dishes though, but to convert to that lifestyle, not for me. And plus, I have a son who's autistic, and he wouldn't, you know what I mean, he wouldn't understand the purpose behind not having any meat when he's used to it. So in the comment below, excuse me, tell me what you're having today, what you had for breakfast. Like my breakfast, I adapt to what season, like, you know, fall going into winter. I usually do like grits, oatmeal, heavy stuff, you know, that will keep you full and warm. While in the summertime, spring, you know, summer, I tend to do like smoothies, you know, or like a oatmeal parfait with yogurt and fruit, you know, something lighter, on the lighter side. Shout out to my Canadian friends out there. QT Quan Tran. Check out his channel. He has an ASMR channel as well as a regular mukbang channel. And Merrick, always Merrick. I love Merrick. In Canada, both in Canada. And, oh God, one channel, Thean Lee in California. Check out his channel. Oh God, he is one fine Asian persuasion. He's a good looking man. And I think he models, but oh, his face, man, is so perfect. And he does one of the best seafood mukbangs out there, along with my girl who does the seafood mukbangs. Time to grub with Sharice. Sharice be grubbing hard too. But I love her channel. Check out her channel as well. Y'all, I'm still scoffing. Yummy. This is more like brunch. It's around 11ish here on the East Coast. And I got up early to fix my son his breakfast because he's heading out with his program, you know, for the state. And I usually wait. I don't eat breakfast early because, I don't know, it just sets my stomach off. I'll have like a little water with my medication to help settle it, but I always wait till later to, you know, have a meal. So usually I have like 2 meals a day instead of 3. I'll have 2. And if I need a snack, if my sugar drops, I'll have, you know, a snack or something. Like peanut butter crackers, or, you know, make a sandwich with meat or something with protein. I love me some hot tea. My aunt, I'm selling breakfasts. Yes, back to that, because I love food. I love breakfast. They would make pancakes, French toast. They'll make eggs. How you want it, scrambled, fried, sunny side up, boil. Grits, I make grits, the real deal grits, not this instant grits like I do, instant. I don't know what it is. I always can't get that consistency right for grits, for real grits. Either they're like thick, like glue, or they're loose, like cream of wheat. I just can't get that, you know, happy medium. And another thing with me, fried chicken. Everybody say, oh, fried chicken's easy, easy. I can't, either it's, maybe I have the gas up too high. It gets black burnt on the outside and the inside's pink. It's like, excuse me, not fully cooked. I'm like, shh, let me buy some fried chicken. You know, somebody who know how to do it. But, yeah. It's hump day, y'all. Hump day. Mm. I'm so upset about the snow, man. Oh my God. Up here in New England, you need, um, if you can afford two cars, you definitely need a SUV. Definitely. Because the snow is horrible up here. It is just horrible. So, I have decided, take a sip of tea, to do a giveaway, but I need your guys' help. I need your help. Get me to that 1,000 mark, 1,000 subbies, and at least 2,000 views, and I'll do a gift card giveaway. So come on, people, share, share, share everywhere. Get the word out about your girl. Get this channel moving up and about. And hi, KH. Um, um, and thank you for joining me for brunch this morning. I'm trying to keep my spirits up, but it's hard when you don't feel well inside and you're trying to put a smile on your face, to be pleasant. And it's hard. It's hard because I'm the type of person, I'm very sensual, but also I wear my heart on my sleeve, as well as everything shows in my face. You know when I'm mad, you know when I'm happy, you know when I'm excited, you know when I'm not feeling well. So, on the last note there, remember to support autism and also support cancer as well as severe rheumatoid arthritis and heart conditions also. Cardiac Foundation. I love you all. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Peace, love, and chicken grease to y'all. And remember, if that's your choice to be a vegan, be proud. Be proud. But don't try to coerce and force it on others. Either it's up to that person, it's their choice. Whether they want to do it or they don't. It's not my type of lifestyle. Like I said, I'll do meatless Mondays sometimes, and some days I'll just have a plain salad because I want that light, feeling like a light meal, just a salad. But anyway, you guys have a wonderful, blessed day. Shout out to Donna's Journey. That's another channel. And a walk in a fat woman's shoes. And that's Keisha and Mel. Love you ladies so much. And that potato salad, I love potato salad so much. In the summertime, potato salad and macaroni salad. That's my thing. And tuna macaroni salad. I love it, love it. All right, so peace to you all. Have a blessed day. And remember, too blessed to be stressed. And give me some ideas. I want to put out some t-shirts. I can't just put WB from RI on a t-shirt. It's corny, and they'll be trying to figure out what the hell is WB from RI. That's my initials, Whitney Brady from Rhode Island. I love you all. This is for Trisha Paytas. TP, this is for you. Bye, y'all. Another channel. Trisha Paytas.